Welcome. If you love technology and want to stay ahead of the curve, you are in the right place. Before we dive into the future of smartphones, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we are talking about a device that is more than just a phone. We are talking about the iPhone 18 Pro. Imagine a device that doesn't just feel like a small upgrade, but feels like a smarter partner that improves everything you do quietly in the background. We have gathered all the latest leaks and details to give you the most complete picture. From the new smaller island on the screen to the professional-grade camera and the stunning new color, there is so much to cover. Let's get started. Many people wonder if the next phone will actually be different. The iPhone 18 Pro is designed to feel smarter and more powerful. It is built to improve your daily life without being too flashy. A smart evolution of tech. We are moving away from loud marketing and useless gimmicks. The leaks suggest that real changes are coming to the hardware. These are changes you will notice the moment you pick it up. Real changes for every day. Apple is focusing on the experience instead of just raw power. Performance is high, but how the phone feels is more important. This breakdown will show you exactly what is coming very soon. Focusing on the user experience. Let's start with the design because that is the first thing we see. Many people expect a total change, but Apple is being very smart. They are refining a design that is already loved by millions. Smart refinement of design. The overall size of the Pro and Pro Max will stay familiar. You will still get that large, immersive display you are used to. The Pro Max will remain the best choice for a giant screen. Familiar and comfortable sizes. The camera module on the back will keep its iconic shape. However, subtle improvements will make it look much more polished. It feels like a high-end watch where every detail is perfect. Polished exterior details. One of the most exciting changes is happening on the front. The dynamic island is finally becoming much smaller this year. This is possible because Face ID is moving under the display. A smaller dynamic island. The sensors are not fully invisible yet, but it is a huge step. This results in a cleaner and more open screen for your apps. Everything feels more modern when there is less distraction on top. Moving Face ID technology. Whether you watch videos or play games, it feels more immersive. Scrolling through social media becomes a much better experience. This small change makes a massive difference in how the phone looks. A more immersive view. Now let's look at the back of the device and the materials. Apple is expected to change the texture of the back glass. Instead of the usual look, we might see a new frosted finish. New frosted glass texture. This finish makes the phone much more comfortable to hold. It also helps to keep the phone clean from ugly fingerprints. It is a small detail that makes a premium device feel truly elite. Premium feel and grip. Color is always a huge part of the excitement every single year. The standout color this time is rumored to be a very deep red. It is not too bright or too dull, but a very rich and bold shade. The stunning deep red color. This unique identity will make the phone easy to recognize. For many users, this color alone is a great reason to upgrade. It gives the device a fresh personality that feels very sophisticated. A unique visual identity. Now let's talk about the display technology, which is very advanced. Apple is introducing a new version called LTPO Plus for the screen. This technology helps the phone manage power much better than before. Advanced LTPO Plus display. Your phone can adjust how smooth the screen feels automatically. When you scroll fast, the refresh rate goes up for a smooth look. When the screen is still, it drops down to save your battery life. Smooth performance and efficiency. This upgrade is the kind of thing you won't see in a simple ad. But once you use it, you realize how important the battery saving is. The phone lasts longer while feeling faster at the same time. Smarter battery management. Now we get to the most exciting part, which is the new camera. The main camera keeps its high resolution but adds a new feature. It is called a variable aperture, which is a huge mechanical change. Variable aperture. Re-camera lens. The camera can now physically change how much light it takes in. This is usually only found in very expensive professional cameras. It gives you much more control over how your photos actually look. Professional control in your pocket. You can get a natural background blur without using software. Your low-light shots will look clear and full of detail. The images will look realistic and not like they were edited by AI. Better photos in low light. Most phones today rely on software to create a blur effect. But with this hardware change, the results look much more real. It is a more honest way to capture a beautiful photograph. Real depth and real detail. We must keep our expectations realistic about these changes. It won't replace a professional DSLR camera immediately. But it brings the smartphone one step closer to that high level. Bridging the gap to pro cameras. Everyday users will get better photos without any extra effort. The phone does the hard work so you can just point and shoot. Another change is how you actually control the camera settings. Effortless high-quality imaging. Apple is simplifying the experience by removing complex gestures. You won't have to swipe and search for settings in a hurry. The focus is on a direct and simple way to take a great photo. Simplified camera controls. This makes the camera faster to use when you are in a rush. It is perfect for capturing a special moment before it is gone. All these updates show a very clear direction for the company. Capturing moments instantly. The iPhone 18 Pro is not trying to win with just one gimmick. It is improving every single part of the phone piece by piece. The design is cleaner and the display is much smarter now. Step-by-step improvements. The overall experience feels more refined and very well balanced. That is what makes this specific upgrade feel so different. It is not about changing everything, but fixing what matters. A refined and balanced device. It improves the things you already use every single hour. This is just the beginning of what this new chip can do. The performance and connectivity features are also very impressive. Improving your daily habits. We will see new chip technology that makes AI tasks very fast. Surprising new ways to stay connected are also being tested. Things are getting very interesting for the future of this lineup. The iPhone 18 Pro is shaping up to be a masterclass in refinement. It proves that a phone doesn't need to be loud to be powerful. It just needs to work better for you. What do you think? Is the new deep red color and the Pro camera enough to make you switch? I want to hear your best opinion, so please leave a comment below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please share the video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more tech updates. See you in the next video.